Welcome guys to Driveway Journey. I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a taillight light bulb inside your Subaru Impreza. Now this process is generally going to be the same across the vast majority of Subarus. You can't see it on this one, but the side marker is actually out on my 2013 Impreza. The process to replace any one of these light bulbs is exactly the same. So what you're going to need is a 10mm socket. That is it. That is the only tool that you need for this job, is a 10mm socket. So let me set up the camera right in front of the light and I'll show you guys how to do it. So looking at the lights and part of my trunk, you guys are going to ignore all the junk that I have in here. And you're going to look at these two screws right here. So you're going to take your trusty 10mm and you're going to undo both of these. Okay, that top one is undone. It's not coming out all the way, but that's fine. It's not a big deal. Yeah, it's been a couple years since I had to do this, so these screws are like seized in place. There we go. So this one actually completely came out. This one, oh, there we go. Perfect. Just need a little bit of force and it came right out. So put those off to the side for now, guys. All you're gonna do now is just kind of grab this and you gotta kind of pull it back. There's no easy way to grip it. So you just gotta grab it as best as you can and just pull back. And you'll see once it comes out how it's attached. There we go. So that just came out, and be careful of the wires. So I'm gonna just leave this here, reposition the camera for you guys so you guys can see what's on the back side. So looking on the back side here, you can see, and what you could do is you could put a little rag here so you're not scratching your car, but you're gonna gently rest this and you're gonna pick out whichever light bulb you need to replace. For me, is this one right here, the side marker. So you're just going to twist it and pull out. Twist, just like that, and pull out. And that one is burnt. I don't know if you could see, but it's so burnt inside, it's like a chrome mirror at this point. So we're going to grab this and pull it out. I'm going to grab a tissue just because I don't want it to accidentally break in my hand. Just grab it, pull it out, and that's it. And then you're going to replace it with whichever one you need to replace it with. So these are the ones that I got. So I'm going to pop one of these open and replace that. So there you go. I'm a believer in not touching these things while you're putting them in there. So just gently, there we go. And that's it. And then you're going to put it back in and twist it. In it goes. Twist it to the right to lock it in place. And that's it. We got to put this back. So as you can see here, there's 1 and 2. These are the 2 pins that make it very awkward to pull this out. And this is where the 2 screws go. So once you get the 2 screws out, that's why I have to pull it straight out so you don't snap any of these. But putting it back in is incredibly easy. So you're going to take this. You're going to very carefully line them up. And there you go. It's back in place. So now you just have to screw these back together with your little 10mm screws. Honestly, it's easier just without this piece just to screw it in. It's easier just to do that. Perfect. So that's the top one. And then this bottom one, we'll just have to realign a little bit. And there we go. Looks like it's lining up. Let's get that screwed in. Perfect. Let's turn on the lights and let's see if it's working. It's lining up perfectly as it should. So that's it. So with that, I hope you guys found this video helpful. The process is the same on either side, and pretty much every Subaru, the process is going to be more or less the same. So if you find this helpful, guys, leave it a like, subscribe if you want more videos from Driveway Journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.